Anytime I'm working with a new creator, I never have them script or get really strategic with content creation in the beginning, because all that's going to do is slow them down and get them even more in their head than they already are. When you're new into content creation, the best thing you can do is talk to the camera and do it daily. Even if you don't post that right away, just get in the habit of actually speaking to the camera, because what this is going to do is it's just going to get you more comfortable with that, number one. But then two, you're going to start to notice where you use filler words, where you're kind of rambling. And this is going to help you to become a more effective communicator just from having the awareness around how you're communicating. You're also going to be able to tell, what is your energy like? Are you just saying things but you don't really feel them? Where are you at? And this is the danger if you go into scripting right away, because if you go right to scripting, then you're just going to sound very robotic, because your energetic state was never developed before you went into scripting. And so that is why I never have you do that. First, you're going to create just from the heart what comes through you, what message do you want to share. Then after you have that down, then we can refine it from there, because then it's going to be, great, did you really care about this message? Can you tell in the video? Because again, it's not so much the words, but it's how you say the words. It's the energy behind the word. That's the conviction that matters, and that's what people can feel, and that's why some creators are magnetic and some aren't. This isn't just, you can't just have a good copywriter and have them write you this lovely script or use AI and then boom, you're going to get views. It's just not how it works. Energetically, we are very sensitive to someone's presence on camera and their state of being that they're in. We can feel that energy. Some can feel it more than others, but we can all feel it. First thing you want to do is just do like video diaries. Talk to your camera daily. Help you get better at communicating on the fly. You should be aware of where you're looking. Look into the camera. Don't look at yourself. Look into the camera. That way you're present with the viewer. Very, very important. Now, once you've got that established, now we can look at how can we craft better hooks in the first 3 seconds, and how can we have better titles. A good title calls out an identity and has a triggering negative emotion typically that's associated with it. Those will do better. And then you say a good hook in the first 3 seconds to grab the viewer's attention and bring them in. And then you need to be expressive. Use your hands. Your face should move, your eyes. It is not enjoyable to watch somebody just be like, here are 3 tips to buy your first home. Oh my God, you're going to put someone to sleep. You have to have the energy of someone that's worth listening to. This is very, very important. And you all have it because you have that in real life. There are people that like what you have to say, that see you as the expert, but the moment a camera comes on, that shuts off. So the number one thing you could do when you're getting started is just start, create, put the reps in. Once you've got 100 videos in, then you go to refinement. And then titles, scripting, all of that, but from the right energetic state. I want you to focus on being present with your message. I don't want you to worry as much about the words that you use. I want you to focus on your presence with the person you're speaking to. Who is this for, and why do you feel compelled to put this message out into the world for these people, to serve them? What is it going to help them do? Help them to be seen, to be confident, to believe in themselves, to use their voice, their gifts. This is what I care about. So whenever I'm talking to you, that's the message that I want you to hear, is that you have a voice. You have a unique voice. You have a unique audience that only you can serve. You are just so powerfully positioned to serve that particular audience, because they're going to hear something through your voice better than they're going to hear it from mine. That is my genuine belief. So everything I put out there comes from that energy, which is what I want for you. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, where it feels effortless and fun to create, then click the link below and join my free visibility challenge. It's 7 days. It's super simple. It's helped hundreds of creators just like you get out of their own way and speak authentically from their heart. It removes the pressure completely from content creation. And when you do this, you can build the most powerful magnetic personal brand. It is amazing. So I can't wait to see you inside the challenge. and I will catch you on the next one.